You plug it into your media mod, or not. I mean, it does come with a Hero 10 door compatible with the Volta. The Volta is made really solid. It feels really quality in your hands. It does not feel cheap. It does not feel like it's gonna break. It has built-in buttons to connect to your GoPro, either through the USB-C cable or wirelessly through Bluetooth with a 98-foot or 30-meter range. There are these LED lights to show you your battery status, but also when you power it on, it will actually show you which mode that you're on. The remote buttons do your basic commands like power on and off, start and stop your recording or take a photo, and also your battery indicator, and connecting via Bluetooth button. The buttons are a little bit tough to press, but that's a good thing because you don't want to accidentally bump them. The tripod part, it is very convenient just to have and be able to set that up anywhere you want to. But then you can use this as a grip for like your selfie stick, and it doesn't extend like a selfie stick, which would have been a nice addition, but I think their aim was to just give you more battery power that they could fit in this little area right here. The built-in battery gives you 4 hours of recording time at 5K 30, which is 3 times more than just the normal battery. Obviously, higher resolutions and frame rates will deplete the battery more, so in my opinion, if you're vlogging, 4K 30 is where you want it to be at, and that gives you even more time. They also have a screw thread on the bottom if you want to mount it to other accessories. A wrist strap down at the bottom, which is a great idea to have, especially if you're going to be filming over ledges or something like that. You drop it. Oh, nope, we're fine. We're good. We're good. It has a really clever pop-out mounting system for other GoPro accessories like a backpack strap, and then it just hides away really easily. Under the USB-C cable, you have a USB-C port to charge this unit. The top mount can actually swivel around, so you can kind of adjust it to your liking with the remote, or when you have it on the tripod, you can adjust it the proper way to get the angle that you want. And the whole thing is weather resistant, but it's not waterproof, so make sure you don't go swimming with this thing because you'll ruin your GoPro. I'll be honest with you, when I first saw this, I was a bit skeptical of it. I was like, is this what people are really needing? But now, having used this, and I'm using it right now, I like this thing a lot. It is very, very convenient. And I think that this thing is totally worth it, if not for anything else, but just the extra battery power that you get.